Nature Conservancy recently held a ribbon cutting at its new office and maintenance shop at Emiquon Preserve in Lewistown, Illinois. Much effort was put into designing and constructing an efficient and economical building. Above-grade materials were used to construct, insulate, and roof the structure. A wood-fired boiler, fed with logs from invasive trees on the property, provides radiant floor heat, while solar and geothermal systems are used for heating, cooling, and power. Environmental consideration was also given to the interior design, utilizing recycled and salvaged materials. The Nature Conservancy hopes to earn gold-level LEED certification on the building soon. At 6,600 acres, Emiquon is one of the largest floodplain restoration projects in the Midwest, showcasing the Nature Conservancy's work on the Illinois River and Upper Mississippi Valley. Travelers along the Illinois River Road shouldn't miss this jewel, with its diverse native plants and animals, and a wide range of recreational activities, everything from birding and paddling to hunting and fishing. Hope to see you along the river. The Illinois River Road National Scenic Byway.